bit of a hood and the conditions aren't particularly good. The roads are still very damp here in Leicestershire this morning, so I thought I'd chill out a bit and tell you guys about my week. You know I like to do these Sunday morning drive videos, and whilst you still watch them, I'll still do it. This week has been a particularly hard week at Dynodaze. We've been pretty busy. We've had some good support, as you've seen if you follow the Instagram page. But yeah, there's been a lot of stuff, a lot of work in, a lot of ramp rotation, and we just about survived it. But we got some good work done. We got some work through the workshop, and we're happy with that. And we're all having a bit of a rest this weekend, which is much needed. Now during the week, I don't know whether you guys are on the modified FN2 Owners Club pages or anything like that, but we've had a couple of conversations on there again about mental health and men's well-being and things like that. And yeah, I've made a couple of pacts with a couple of lads that we're all supporting each other. So we've banned energy drinks, and I feel crap after banning energy drinks. So whether that's because I'm dependent on energy drinks, I drink Red Bull, or I did until this week, and it ain't half messed me up. So I've got a couple of packs going with a couple of lads. Some people are cutting out chocolate, some people are cutting out crisps, some people are cutting out energy drinks like me. We're doing that. I've got a good friend of mine called Ian Tasker, and he's helping me with a My Fitness app. I want to lose a few pounds. You know, I'm not getting any younger, my metabolism's not getting any better. So big shout out to Ian for helping me out with that. He took the time to respond, made a couple of videos to send to me, talk about it. I mean, this guy's an Adonis. He's a lean machine. So and he's got an FN2, so it's all good, ain't it? Bit of bromance going on there. So I've been trying to be a bit healthier, trying to be a bit more upbeat. It's Sunday, I'm out in my car, I'm driving it. It's what makes me feel good of a weekend. Listen to some tunes. Obviously I've turned some tunes off now because I'm talking to you. But yeah, like I say, the roads aren't particularly good, so I'm taking my time, being a bit careful. I'm just enjoying my own company. I'm enjoying talking to you. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so, you know, keep on trucking. Keep driving, guys. Like I say, I've been trying to be a bit healthier and stuff, and quitting energy drinks. And like I said, I'm not feeling particularly brilliant. Last night I had sleep paralysis. I don't know whether you guys have ever experienced sleep paralysis. It's not fun. It is not fun. It's probably the most panicked that you can feel. For those of you who have never experienced, just imagine being paralysed and not being able to do anything about it. Sometimes you know you're in a dream and your body wants to fight to wake up, and as it fights to wake up, this is what happens to me anyway, as it fights to wake up, it sort of wakes up and you're very conscious that you're now awake, but your body's not responding yet. Oh, it's a scary thing to happen, and I have had it a few times, and generally I get it when I'm a bit stressed. So yeah, a bit stressed, and maybe that's what this week was about for me. Maybe there's a little bit of stress there, and maybe quitting energy drinks and stuff. Maybe that's all added up, and I'm a bit there. Yeah, maybe I'm a bit under the weather. It's not COVID, because we're still doing really well with our social distancing at work. We're still doing really well with making sure that people drop their cars off and they're not interacting with us, and they're not giving me big hugs and stuff like that. So we're still doing pretty well. But yeah, it's frightening stuff. It's frightening stuff, and it all goes back to that men's health and well-being and stuff. That, you know, I'm just your average Joe. My diet's appalling. I don't get enough exercise. I don't drink enough water. I have got a stressy job. sometimes. I mean, I love it, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love it, but sometimes it can be a bit stressy, especially when we've got deadlines and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys are alright. I'd love to know what you guys are doing this Sunday. I don't know whether I'll post this video today, so it might be Monday now, but tell me what you did at the weekend. Let me know what you got up to, what you did with cars. I've been following Limitations YouTube channel, he's been doing well. Robster VTech, yeah, Robster VTech, great channel. And also Cowbunker Car Diaries, I'm loving the US 2000 content on there, so that's definitely one to check out. Something I have been doing on YouTube is typing in Mitsubishi Colt CZT or Honda Civic FN2, two of my favourite cars, and then in the actual options at the top, in the filter, put in this week. And I'm seeing loads of new content from really small channels, and I'm trying to support those. So there's a couple of guys in different countries that I'm trying to look at the subtitles and trying to get a gist of their videos, but supporting them from the UK, showing the love. I'm always watching Exploring with Fighters on YouTube. Dad up there's got a Skyline, and that's nice. He's an adventure channel, so check him out. Good guy, really good guy. He's got a good bunch of mates, and they have a lot of fun doing YouTube, and I enjoy that. And my little one really enjoys that, so I have to sit and watch that. But yeah, they're a good bunch of lads. But yeah, I've been checking out as much YouTube as possible. I've got some new stock in at work, so I've got to do some website work, some manifolds, etc. A load of in-gen intakes for FN2s, getting as much stock in as possible, stuff I know is going to sell. You know, with COVID, lockdown, Brexit, all that sort of thing, lots of companies, small companies like myself, have been struggling with getting stock from the bigger boys. So shout out to companies that I love, like Kaizen, if that's how you bloody say it. I don't know, Kaizen, I don't know, but good company that, check them out. Been speaking to TDI North quite a bit. They help us, we help them, that sort of thing. Good guys up there. Yeah, had a lot of support from Paul West, that is, this week. What a gent he is. Can't wait to go for a beer with that man as soon as we are able to do so again, Paul, if you're watching. And then I had a customer in this week who's my mate Smev, and I have known him since I was 4, so that's 35 years of being my mate, buddy. No, it's not because I'm 42 this year, so 30, a long time we've been buddies, and it's nice to have him come down and we look after his colt. We always have a good chat and a good giggle. He's a top bloke. And during COVID, I've not seen a lot of him. Normally he cooks for me. Again, more bromance, but yeah, he's a good mate of mine, and that's helped me this week. That's got me through this week. You know, seeing someone that you know you miss and stuff like that. That's been good. But yeah, so that's, you know, that is my Sunday chat. Next week we've got lots to do at work, and I will be mostly ordering parts for this car. As you've seen in one of the videos during the week, I've ordered, or had to order, some door seals, a boot seal. We're trying to seal up that moisture that's coming into this car. VTech face. Yeah, trying to seal up that moisture. I'm looking at fuel rails. I'm looking at all sorts of little bits and bobs. There's a few projects that are ongoing at work that I've got to start saving some money for. But yeah, I think, do you know what? I mean, this will sound bizarre, and if anyone's still watching this video and isn't bored and hasn't already left yet, I reckon talking to you guys actually makes me feel better. So you should do it. You should start a YouTube channel, you should start a vlog, you should start doing it. I'm pretty sure that when I started this video about, what, 8 minutes ago, I'm sure I feel better now after speaking to you lot. So I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I would love to know what you're doing, how you're feeling. If anyone wants to reach out and just talk, it doesn't have to be about cars. I mean, it's cool if it's about cars, but it doesn't have to be. It could be about anything. You know, if your cat died, talk to me. My cat died once. You know, whatever. Get commented in the comments below. If you want to talk about your car, I'd like to think as a community, we'll all jump on it. And everyone who's watching this video, we'll all interact with each other and we'll see how we get on. We just got to look after each other and keep talking. And I'm not going to be embarrassed. I'm not going to be embarrassed about talking about how I feel and what I've been up to, and that I'm not feeling particularly well. I'm not going to be embarrassed about that, and neither should any of you. So that's what we're going to do. We're definitely going to all speak to each other. We're all going to reach out to each other. I'm reversing. I don't know what, I've got a reverse parking camera. I don't know why I can't use it. It's just down here, my reverse parking camera, and I don't bother with it. I don't trust it. I'm going to pull over. I know that yard's empty. The yard's open. Let's pull over here. Yes, so let's talk, let's chat. Let's all support each other. Tell me what you're modifying, or what you got. I'll tell you what, something found interesting this week. We mapped a silver FN2, and it made some good power. Now, obviously, it had the mods that we expected it to have, but it also had what's called an auto works manifold and exhaust, and it looks like solid fab stuff. I'm not sure whether it is, and someone can tell me, but it was a beautiful system. It must have flowed really well because it was really on power. So check that video out, silver FN2, wherever those videos live. Check that out. Right, I am gonna, as per usual, it's freezing outside, but I am gonna go and take a photograph of my car, because that's also something that I do on a Sunday. It's not particularly clean. It had a bath last time I went out in it, which was over a week ago, I think. So I'm gonna do that, take a few photographs, add them to my album like I always do, and yeah, have a good weekend, everyone. Have a good Sunday, relax. And I'll speak to you on the next one, I think, whenever that will be. I'll definitely do one of these a week, I think. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll have another chat next week. Hope you're all safe and well.
Light moves pretty fast.